Yo, if you ever have to remove a flywheel, or I think Yamaha calls this a stator rotor. This engine is a 2009 Yamaha Raptor 700R. That tool right there, that's a flywheel puller or stator rotor puller. 35 millimeter. The rotor is pressed onto the shaft, and the puller essentially affixes to the shaft clockwise. Turn it and get it tightened. And that center screw, you clockwise that, and it essentially pulls the rotor forward towards you. As you can see, I've got the small impact on there. It's not enough power. Pressed on there pretty good. Here we come with the 1/2-inch drive Ingersoll Rand impact. It's going to take it off so easily. Clockwise. Bam. It's off. Reverse it off. Remove the puller. And there we go. Below it, or behind it, is the starter clutch. There's 3 screw holes that attaches it to the rotor.